This is an amazing view, guys. If you can see, भाई लोग देख लो यार, इससे अच्छा व्यू नहीं हो सकता यार, ये शहर में नहीं मिलता ये। This is amazing. This is beautiful. You can check out, this is an amazing feeling. Spending 800 or 700, that doesn't make any sense. This is epic. Oh my goodness, this is love. Shots are coming amazing. Okay.
ये गोटे आसियो
केते
एथुर 5 पीस आसियो एथुर 6 पीस आसियो
केते 300 रे
सब गोटे रेट
अच्छा फिक्स रेट बट
एथुर 10 पीस
माने ना कोन आरो ए माछ टाइगर प्रॉन ओके फाइन एटा
ये गांडिया चिंगड़ी गोल्दा गोल्दा
गोल्दा
ये पम्पलेट चिल्ली का
पम्पलेट ओके फाइन
ये पारसी ये खोंगा
अच्छा This is Satapada. We are in a location where we can have some amazing food, and you can check out the background. It's a lake. You can see find a dolphin and all. There are so many things to look out, but we are here for just food. So we just right now we ordered a prawn, like 10 pieces of prawn and a fish. Though I don't know the name of the fish, but we'll have it and we will taste it. And this is the boat in which I'm sitting right now. This is the amazing boat. It's a blue color. Dear, I'll call you the
এটা খয়ঙ্গা মাছ পড়ে এটা গোলদা 2 পেঁয়াজ
Golda 2 paisa.
হ্যাঁ আইয়ে
Okay, dhanyawad. This rice, though it's not available, they somehow managed. And this is the fish fry. They said that it's khonga. It's some kind of a prawn with a do kaja. Good. Taking the dal. Oh, it's hot.